Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. You've probably seen by now this video isn't like my normal videos. So right now I am on my way to Ireland. I'm going to be doing some work over there. I'll be doing my standard pipe welding for the next few months. I will be returning back to my old place, but for the time being the videos are going to be a little bit different. It's a new environment, it's a little bit of an adventure for me. So it's still going to be, like I said, the pipe welding videos, but it's going to be in a new place. So I've got my trusty PC here, so I'll still be able to get the content out for you guys. Just like I said, different workshop, new adventure, it should be fun. So right now I've just eaten some food. I set off in the morning. It was about a 4.5 hour drive to the port. I'm 2 hours early, so now I'm just relaxing, and I'm going to jump on the ferry all the way over to Ireland. So I'll see you lot there.
belong to you. I belong to you. You're the one that's right, and I'll always be around when I need some love and baby.
Why you not check with the level color?